Just like a project manager has influence at various levels, the same way a project manager performs integration at various levels. The lowest level of integration is done at the process level, where the project manager ensures that various project management processes support each other and are synced well and work toward the common project goals. This is where project integration management processes come in, as they connect all other process outputs to achieve the project's goals. Whether we look at project management planning, which is a combination of planning of all other knowledge areas, or whether it is monitor and control project work and perform integrated change control. Both focus on bringing the monitoring and controlling processes under one umbrella. At the cognitive level, the project manager selects the right approach for project delivery based on culture and infrastructure of the organization, resource availability, risk tolerance, leadership style, as well as technical and business knowledge. The coordination at this level, cognitive level, results in an appropriate approach and style of how the project will be managed. When integrating at context level, the project manager is now looking at current and upcoming technology, the social media, global project environment, political environment, and how the team and work can be managed with a rapid change in these factors. How these factors used for the project's success will change throughout the project, and this is where the project manager brings the context level integration. Project complexity can be from three different aspects: the systems, humans, and ambiguity around their behaviors. So systems consist of multiple components that may have high dependency and networking among them. Same way, human connections and behavior can be quite complex, especially where multiple groups and stakeholders are involved. On top of that, if there are ambiguity and uncertainty surrounding issues that come up and decisions that have to be made in a project, the whole project environment becomes quite complex in nature. In such a complex scenario, stronger but nimble integration is required. It simply means that the project manager should look at various factors and their changing shapes and values and keep stronger coordination at the process, cognitive, and context level throughout the project.